From ActionableOps, here's the complete Toolsets reference for Hermes Agent, so you know exactly what each bundle does and when to reach for it. Toolsets are named bundles of tools. Every tool belongs to exactly one toolset. When you enable a toolset, all its tools become available. There are three kinds: core, composite, and platform. Core toolsets are single logical groups. The file toolset bundles read, write, patch, and search. Terminal bundles shell execution and process management. Web bundles search and extract. Vision bundles image analysis. Each core toolset is one focused capability. Composite toolsets combine multiple core toolsets for a common scenario. Debugging bundles file, terminal, and web. Coding adds skills, browser, delegation, and code execution on top of file, terminal, and web. Safe is read-only research plus media generation with no file writes or terminal. Platform toolsets define the complete tool configuration for a deployment target. Hermes-cli is the default for interactive sessions with the full toolset. hermes-acp drops clarify, cron, TTS, and image generation for IDE work. Hermes API Server drops clarify and TTS for programmatic access. Most messaging platforms like Telegram, Slack, and WhatsApp use the same set as Hermes CLI. Discord adds Discord and Discord admin on top. Configure toolsets three ways: per session with the -- toolsets flag, listing comma-separated names, per platform in config.yaml under the toolsets key, or interactively with the Hermes tools command for a curses UI or /tools in session. Dynamic toolsets appear at runtime. Each MCP server you configure generates a MCP-server toolset. Plugins register their own toolsets during initialization. You can also define custom toolsets in config.yaml for project-specific bundles. Two important gotchas with the all wildcard. It expands to every registered toolset, but capability-gated tools like browser, computer use, and home assistant still need their backend configured. And Kanban is deliberately opt-in. The all wildcard does not enable it. You must list Kanban explicitly. That is the toolsets reference. Core for single capabilities, composite for scenarios, platform for deployment targets, and dynamic for MCP and plugins. For more Hermes how-tos, go to ActionableOps.com.